going to be showing you how to marinate the lamb chops, the ribs. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the butchery chef and the butcher shop. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button if you enjoy this video.
The ingredients we're going to be using. We'll be using the sticks Montero. We need the paprika as well, and we need the vegetable oil and a kind, and we need the yogurt as well. Now get your meat prepared, fresh, and ready for marinade. First, we're adding the sticks Montero. Here's the paprika. Don't need too much, and the salt as well. You need your salt, sea salt. I forgot to mention you need the sea salt. Now this is the yogurt. We're going to be adding some yogurt. Okay, we just added some yogurt. And this is the vegetable oil. Add some vegetable oil as well. This is a special sauce. It's a special sauce prepared. If you want to know how to prepare this one, just click in the link in my bio. I'm going to show you how to prepare that sauce in particular. Now mix. Make sure you mix very well. After mixing, you'll be having something like that. Ready. You can either grill, you can fry, whichever way you want to eat. Serve while it's hot. Enjoy your meal. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.